Hello. Welcome to the new subscribers and 10 thumbs up because I got 1K subscriber. I hit the 1,000 mark. So thank you everyone. Thank you for all the loyal subscribers and to all the new subscribers. Welcome to my channel. So lately I've been doing a vlog about USPS. So I want to make this a quick one before my school starts. I mean my class. So right now I'm taking a class at Stanford University, and because of the COVID-19 everything is online, which is which is great because I don't have to go there in the campus. I can be at my home, relax, put my feet up while watching our class in Zoom conference. So anyway, our topic for today is how to enjoy the fruits of your labor at USPS. I know the reason why I want to do this vlog is because when I last month, maybe around last month or 6 weeks ago, a month and a half, there were like 20 new MPAs, and then now there's only 10 of us left, so maybe more than 20. So more than half of the new MPAs or mail processing assistant quit their jobs. Okay, so I think the other ones, they transferred to another location because they got accepted as mail handlers, but they were assigned to the Los Angeles Bell, is that Bell or Bandini? So they got assigned there. So now it's only a few of us, and we are now carrying the load of those people who resigned and moved to another branch. So how can you enjoy your work or appreciate your job at USPS even though you're carrying this load? This is how I do it, so I want to share it with you. So I don't know if you're in school right now, or you're working, or you have a family. It depends on what situation you are right now, but I know how hard the job is. Also, I know how tedious, because you gotta do the same thing over and over, and then there is no artistic reward or creativity or intellectual stimulating aspects of our job. So if you are the type of person who want to be challenged intellectually, if you're the type of person who want to express your creativity through different mediums, or if you are an academic person, a nerd like me, I'm a nerd. So this is what I'm not gonna say you should, but a recommendation, suggestion of the things you may wanna try, right? You may wanna try it, so you won't feel this grudge, and you start hating or dread going to work. So the reason I'm saying this again is because when is this? Today is Thursday. So Monday, one of my new co-workers, the one that's being transferred from LA to where I'm working, he told me that, oh my God, another week of this SHITTY job. So I can relate, I can relate to his feelings, the feeling of dread, the feeling of not going to work, the feeling of just going to work because you need money, right? I know that feeling. So I sympathize with him. But, you know, everything is just in your mind. It's just a state of mind. Remember, all the heavens and hells are happening here. Okay? It's happening inside your mind. So, you gotta find something to make your time worthwhile. So, what will you do? Go back to the things that you love to do before. For example, I'm gonna give you a concrete example. So this is more a real life situation. So one of my coworker, she used to play in a marching band in high school. So now she got 3 kids, and then she's working at the USPS with me in my same shift, same tour. So I saw her watching on YouTube this guy playing trumpets, and then there are notes, like is it the note? And then the note is showing up, like C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So I said, hey, why are you watching this guy, playing the trumpets? She said, oh, I used to be in the marching band, and I really love looking back and watching him, because it reminds me of what I used to do. I said to her, so why not play it again? I mean, go to get your trumpet and get a trumpet, buy one, and play it at home, play with your friends, or make a gig, go on a gig. So 3 days after we spoke, she brought this a book, a music sheet book. So during her break time, she's reviewing the music sheets, the one that she used. I don't know if she was using it before, because it looks like a music sheet for trumpets, playing the trumpet. So now when she works, she looks forward to her breaks, because she can review the music sheets, and then she can play trumpet in her mind. I play the piano, by the way, so when I see a note, I can also do like this in the air, and then it's playing in my mind, the music. So what you're gonna do is, I feel grateful for having this gig, because right now there are so many people who doesn't have work because of the pandemic. So I'm using the money that I earn in USPS to do the things that I love to do. Like right now I'm studying, and I'm studying for personal development and enrichment. So these are the things that I would love to learn during my high school, but where I came from, the country where I came from, we do not have access to this type of material, to this type of information. So, but they are available at Stanford. So I'm taking liberal arts, and the course that I'm taking this semester is Masterworks. These are the art of creation. These are the paintings of the masters, like Van Gogh, Rembrandt, Picasso. So we are studying the paintings, And then I'm learning more about the quality, the medium, the artist. So this is my topic for tonight. Calling of Matthew, Caravaggio, 1600, oil on canvas, location Rome. So isn't it that nice that because I love to travel too, so now I know that Caravaggio is a painter in Rome, you know. So things like this. Giverny, I love her. Giverny Gardens from Monet. So anyway, I don't want to bore you with this painters and paintings, but for me, I'm doing this because I love, I love to travel. I love to look at the paintings, and then now I have a new appreciation because our professor, he is from Europe, and then he specialized in European paintings and masterpieces. So I can see this painting through his lens, through his eyes, through his experience. So it's a different kind of information. It's not you read in a book, He is expressing this the way he experienced it and the way he learned it, because he studied in Oxford, and he also go to museums. He's doing some curator, So it really it gives it ignites, it gives spark, the spark. God gave you a spark. You know that God gave you a spark inside. The spark is to ignite your passion, to ignite the things that you love to do. Actually, in reality, God is a creator, and you are an individualized expression of God, meaning you are created in His own image, and God loves to create. And then you are supposed to be an instrument, like God will use you and express His knowledge and His greater glory through you, and you can do it by embodying it. So don't you notice when you hear a song, you're like, I like that. That's my groove, that's my jam, because it touches you, So there are things that touches you. There are things that makes you light up. Like right now, I'm lit up talking about these paintings, because this is what I love, and this is what I meant, maybe meant to do, So follow it, follow your bliss, follow what your heart tells you, but do the good thing, okay? Don't do bad. So I think you're getting the message, right? That your work at USPS is a source of income. When you signed the contract, it didn't tell you that when you work at USPS, I guarantee that you will have happiness and contentment in life. No, they didn't promise that, right? When you sign up that you will work whenever you're needed. But use the money, use it to enrich and develop yourself, to be make it a goal that you are that today you are better than who you were yesterday, right? A good example of this is, I would not have imagined that I will go here in the States, but I work hard for it, And then when I was young, I am always fascinated with Egyptian anything, I want to go to Egypt. I want to understand what are those things, those paintings, those carvings on the wall in Egypt. So that's my next semester will be. I'm gonna study ancient Egypt, right? So see, I'm using the income from USPS to buy and to purchase and pursue my dream. So for example, you wanna be a DJ, you use the money to to buy the what do you call this? Equalizer, synthesizer, whatever. Whatever you need for your DJ stuff. So, or you want to you want to dance, so use the money to enroll in a dance class. Want to dance hip hop, ballet, ballroom. So do not expect USPS to give that to you, because it's not what you sign up for. But use the money you make. Use the money. Money is a tool. It's only a tool. It's not everything. It's just a tool, TOOL, to get you to the things that you really like. So that's how I see it. I don't know how you see it, but that's how I see it. Money come and go. Money come and go. So use it. So thank you, USPS. Okay, so I hope I did not bore. I did not take you to boredom. And I hope that you wouldn't mind me sharing this personal stuff. Why I do not dread and why I enjoy my work at USPS is because I use my earnings, my income, to support and to put a roof over my head, food on my table, and follow my passion, follow my bliss. So that's how I see it. And all the drama at the plant, what happens in USPS stays in USPS. Do not bring it home. Although sometimes in my first week I brought it home because I have a lazy coworker. But anyway, I got over it. I know I'm doing meditations by Marcus Aurelius. He's an emperor. He's one of the Stoic. Stoicism. So I read his meditations that in the morning. It helped me. It helped me to get through the day. That I know I'm gonna have a lazy and unreliable coworkers. So anyway, that's my 2 cents. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, because I'm gonna talk about more of USPS, and I want to add a new playlist in my channel. It's about education, and if you're interested, come back. See you. Bye.